Traveling the world can be an exciting adventure, but language barriers can sometimes pose a challenge. In this video, we'll explore some essential phrases that can help you navigate your way to different cultures and countries. Let's dive in! Instead of saying, "Excuse me, where's the restroom?" in Japanese, you must say, "Sumimasen, otore wa deku desu ka?" In Korean, you must say, "Jogyo, 화장실 어디세요?" In Spanish, you must say, "Disculpe, ¿dónde está el baño?" The second phrase is, instead of saying, "Excuse me, how much is this?" in Japanese, you must say, "Sumimasen, kore wa ikura desu ka?" In Korean, you must say, "Jojo, yejo olmayo." In Spanish, you must say, "Disculpe, ¿cuánto cuesta esto?" The third phrase is, instead of saying, "Excuse me, can I get one of these please?" in Japanese, you must say, "Sumimasen, kore wa hitotsu kudasai." In Korean, you must say, "Jojo, ejo hana joseyo." In Spanish, you must say, "Disculpe, ¿puede tener uno de estos por favor?" Yes, adventurers, I hope you learned something from my video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Gracias.